Hello students, today I am going to explain nutrition in human being. Student, human being is a multicellular animal. It takes the complex food, so it is holozoic. The holozoic nutrition in human being takes place through digestive system. Student, ह्यूमन बीइंग एक मल्टी सेलुलर एनिमल है जो कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड लेता है, इसलिए ये होलोजोइक है। होलोजोइक न्यूट्रिशन ह्यूमन बीइंग में डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के थ्रू टेक्स प्लेस होता है। नाउ क्वेश्चन हियर, व्हाट इज डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम? डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम क्या है? स्टूडेंट, एन ऑर्गन सिस्टम विच हेल्प इन डाइजेशन ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड इज कॉल्ड डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। एक ऐसा ऑर्गन सिस्टम जो फूड के डाइजेशन में हेल्प करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। स्टूडेंट, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम एक ऑर्गन सिस्टम जिसके थ्रू न्यूट्रिशन टेक्स प्लेस होता है ह्यूमन बीइंग के अंदर, दैट इज कॉल्ड द digestive system. Now we discuss about the different parts of digestive system. Next question here, name the different parts of human digestive system. Student, human digestive system has two main parts, alimentary canal and digestive gland. Student, alimentary canal is a tube-like structure which starts from the mouth and at the anus. And alimentary canal provide which help in ingestion, digestion, absorption, and egestion of food. Now, digestive gland are those glands which secrete the enzymes, and these enzymes help in digestion of food. Now, alimentary canal is made up of many parts like mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. These are the different parts of alimentary canal. Now, main digestive gland are three, but some associated digestive glands are also. First digestive gland is salivary gland, second liver, third pancreas. These three glands are main digestive gland, but some associated glands like gastric gland, which is present in stomach wall, and intestinal gland, which is present in a small intestine. These are the five main glands. So student, these glands secrete the enzymes, and these enzymes help in digestion of complex food. So in this way we can understand the different parts of the digestive system. स्टूडेंट, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम एक ऑर्गन सिस्टम है जो डिफरेंट पार्ट से मिलके बना है। डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के मेन अगर देखा जाए तो दो पार्ट्स होते हैं, एलिमेंट्री कैनाल और डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड। एलिमेंट्री कैनाल लगभग 9 मीटर लॉन्ग एक ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है जो माउथ से स्टार्ट होता है और एनस पे जाके एंड हो जाता है। ये माउथ, फेरिंग्स, ओसोफेगस, स्टमक, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन और एनस से मिलके बना है। एंड डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड वो ग्लैंड होती हैं जो डाइजेशन में हेल्प करती हैं और जो एंजाइम सिक्रीट करती है। यही एंजाइम कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड को ब्रेक डाउन करके सिंपलर फूड में चेंज करते हैं। तो दीज आर main three, but there are 5 digestive glands. First salivary gland, second is liver, third pancreas, fourth gastric gland, fifth intestinal gland. So in this way we can understand, you can understand the different parts of human digestive system. Now student, we discuss about the structure of human digestive system. Student, human digestive system, you know that consists of two main parts, alimentary canal and digestive gland. In this diagram, both alimentary canal and digestive gland are shown. Now we discuss here first alimentary canal. Student, alimentary canal start from mouth and end at the anus. This is the tube-like structure which consists many parts: mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. Now, digestive glands are main three: salivary gland, liver, pancreas, and two subglands like gastric gland present in stomach wall and intestinal gland present in small intestinal wall. Now, first part is mouth. Mouth has a cavity called oral cavity या buccal cavity. In this cavity, teeth, tongue and salivary glands are present. Strength, teeth help in physical digestion of food. They chew the food and they convert the large pieces of food into smaller pieces. Tongue help to mix the saliva in food and it also help in speaking. Tongue help to taste the food. It is a muscular organ. It consists taste buds, so it can take the taste. It is also sense organ of our body. Now, next part is salivary gland. Salivary gland are those glands which help to secrete the saliva, and there are three pairs of salivary gland are present. These salivary glands help to secrete the saliva, which consists salivary amylase enzyme, which help to digest the starch into maltose. Strength. Now next part is pharynx. Pharynx is a common passage for the food and air. Now next part is esophagus. Esophagus is a tube-like structure which do not help in digestion. It only provides the passage for the food from the pharynx to stomach. Now next part is stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped muscular bag-like structure. Stomach contain gastric gland. Gastric gland help to secrete the gastric juice. Gastric juice consists three main things as hydrochloric acid, mucus and pepsin enzyme. HCl help in killing the bacteria present in our food and it provides the acidic medium for food in which pepsin enzyme can act. Now next is mucus. Mucus help protect the stomach wall and intestinal wall from the corrosion of HCl. Strength. Next is pepsin. Pepsin help in digestion of protein. Strength. Next part is small intestine. Small intestine help in complete digestion of food and absorption of nutrient from the digested food. Strength. Now next part is large intestine. Large intestine help to absorb the water from the food. Next, rectum. Rectum help to store the undigested food. Anus. Anus is the last part of the alimentary canal, which help in ingestion of food. Now in this way we can understand the different parts. Now liver help to secrete the bile juice, and pancreas help to secrete the pancreatic juice. Pancreatic and bile juice both help in digestion of food. Bile juice is stored in gallbladder. Gallbladder is a very small sac-like structure which present in liver. This gallbladder help to store the bile juice. Now strength, in this way you can understand the structure of the digestive system. You have to draw the structure of human digestive system in fair copy, and in coming video I will explain the nutrition, how nutrition takes place in digestive system.